Okay, Google, turn on lights. So today I got a new toy. Actually, it's not really a toy, it's more like I got an Apple Watch 6 series and a red band. Tell me why this is bigger than the new iPhone box. Doesn't make sense. Anyway, I got the product Red 6 series. I've been really looking forward to get one of these bad boys because I really need one for my client work and all that. I need something that I can just, Anyway, short story, I actually had the very first Apple Watch when it first came out. At school, like I was one of the first people who got the Apple Watch. It was a pretty useless gadget. At the time, that thing was super slow and it was just, like now that I got, businesses to take care of, definitely gonna be a lot useful. Let's go ahead and open this thing. Okay, so we have the Apple Watch box. Pretty simple, there's really nothing here to check out. That was not satisfying. Oh, that's satisfying. Wow. And it's another box. So it's a box and a box and a box. So this is the wristband. It's right here. And there it is. Interesting. He has the user guide. I wanted to get the Velcro, but it didn't feel really good when I had it firsthand. So I'm glad I got this one. Oh, wow. Let me hear that. Pretty fancy. Okay. Product Red. Any Apple stickers, do they? Whatever. Yep, here it is. The new Apple Watch 6 series. Yep. Huh, okay, so I guess I need a small one. That's funny. That's actually not. I really do have a small wrist. Small one, here we go. Let's go ahead and put this on. Put it right. Okay, there it is. We'll go ahead and turn this bad boy on. Okay, so here's the Apple Watch, and as you can see, it's 2 in the morning. Yes, it's quite late. First impressions. Number one is that this thing is just speed demon. Not even a second. As you can see, look at that. Open, boom, tile, open. A heavy app, which is the weather app, and boom, already open. From what I can tell, back in the day when I had the very first Apple Watch, which they call the Series 0, when I open the Photos app, it takes about 10 seconds just to open or like fully load my library. Let's go ahead and show you the cool feature of this device, which is the blood oxygen reader. So apparently this isn't really that accurate. It is pretty good to know that your watch has a blood oxygen reader. Go ahead and start. And as you can see, it shows I have 96%. Now it does have a disclaimer here. As you can see, it says that the blood oxygen isn't really intended for medical use, so yeah, take it with a grain of salt. But I think it's still a pretty cool feature if you're really that conscious with it. Yeah, earlier I had 97, now I have 96, so I guess I'm dying.
And this is sunk in place. Y'all just simmer down and do your thing and go away. No apologies. I say what I say. You with me, then you with me. If you're not, then well, it's bye.
I think I should have gone a little bit bigger actually with the 44 instead of the 40, but so far, I mean, no questions asked. Pretty good. So I'll see you guys later. Peace.